Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video is going to be a little different. As you can see behind me, we have the tractor and a sickle mower hooked up. We're going to be trying to mow hay on this property for the very first time. It is May 24th. There's chances of rain, but it's kind of hit or miss. It really hasn't been hitting, so we're just going to try to get this knocked down. If it does get a little wet tonight, it'll be fine. It's going to be 80s and sunny the next couple of days. Hopefully we can get these raked and baled up late Sunday or Monday. We have about an acre here. I'll show you that here in a minute, using the Kubota L3902, and we have a John Deere 39 sickle mower. Get it hooked up and see what happens. Alrighty, so it's a little windy, but I had to make a few adjustments. It wasn't cutting right, didn't have it set right, but we got it fixed. I need to work on my lines a little bit and where that boot goes, but everything else, it's cutting great. Like I said, I just got to work on where that boot goes because there's some grass. There's some grass I'm leaving, which not good, but first time, not bad. Catch you next time. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you later.